Hello guys, welcome to EC Electronics. In today's video, we are going to see the recruitment updates from 4 different companies. The companies are Accenture, TCS, Siemens and Goldman Sachs. So in this video, there is openings for freshers and also experienced candidates. So if you belong to any of this category, please do watch this video till the end. Also, if you are seeing the channel for the first time, please subscribe to the channel and follow us on our Instagram page. Let's have a look on the jobs or job roles one by one. The first company we are going to see is Accenture. There will be two job roles we'll be seeing. The first one is for fresher, any graduate, and second one is for experienced candidates. Okay, so let's have a look on the Accenture recruitment updates first. The first job role is new associate HR operations is the job role. Here you can see the qualification is any graduation is eligible. See, in the qualification they have clearly mentioned that any graduation is eligible with 0 to 1 year of experience. So if you are having maximum up to 1 year of experience, you can apply. Other than that, if you are having 2 or 3 plus of years of experience, you cannot apply here. Okay. Now this is actually a hiring for HR operations. Means what all things you will be doing is you will be working with the HR teams and you will be doing the process like recruiting, learning, training, onboarding. So mainly you will be working with the recruiting team and the HR team. That is going to be the job role. Okay. So that is a brief about the job description. And also they are looking for people with some basic skills, Microsoft Excel knowledge, learning and collaboration skill, written and verbal communication skill. That is the only requirement, basic skills. So if you are having BTech or BSc or BCom or BBA, whatever graduation background you are from, you can apply here. Okay. So just click on this apply icon and just apply here. Okay, so this is a fresher recruitment for any graduation. Okay. The second job role we are going to see is again from Accenture itself. It is for QA or quality analysis, associate quality analysis. Here they are asking minimum 1 year of experience. See, 1 to 3 years of experience if you are having, you can apply here. And again, any graduation background is eligible. No need to be from BTech background only. Other backgrounds can also apply here. Okay. Location of job is Mumbai. Currently, all these jobs will be work from home only, and you can apply for all these companies if you are interested in work from home. Okay. Now here you'll be basically doing testing related job roles. Means testing, quality analysis. That is the requirement. So that is the job description. And they are looking for people with skill set, manual testing, problem solving, functional test planning, ability to work in team, meet deadlines. That is the skills. Again, basic things only they are asking. If you are preferably having some testing related knowledge or experience, that is more good. Okay. Again, you need minimum 1 year of QA experience. Okay. So that is the two recruitment updates from Accenture. Next, we are going to see about recruitment update from TCS. It is a bulk hiring for all the MBA graduates with the year of pass out 2020, 2021 and 2022. Okay. So this is exclusively for MBA graduates only. Only if you are from MBA graduation background, you can apply here. Okay. So this is a TCS MBA hiring for 2020, 21 and 22 year of pass out. They have given the description or step-by-step description about how to apply. Just click on to TCS Next Step portal. Then you have to register as a new user, click on IT and then apply here. Okay. So that is all about the recruitment update from TCS. If you're having some doubts or queries, just contact this helpline number and also there is an email ID given. Okay. So do you know that a lot of companies now hire you based on only your skills? So your education background or your college of study doesn't really matters. So we are going to see about a platform which is called Relevel by Unacademy. This is completely free of cost platform. Here you can find your dream company and your dream package. The big companies like Urban Company, Razer, Meesho, Yatra, Paytm, Upgrad, all these companies and also a lot of startup companies are hiring through this platform. And here the biggest advantage is that you don't have to bother about going to the company sites and applying multiple times. The companies will reach to you and they will hire you. So what you have to do is you have to just click on this icon which is called Get Hired. First, you have to sign up to this platform and whichever domain is of your interest, whether it is backend or front end or business development, you can select that domain and you can book at a slot. And then if you get a good score in the test, you will be hired by the companies. The only thing is your score and your score matters here. So next I'm going to share a specific company details with you, which is Code Nation. It is a very famous company And this company is also hiring through this platform, and its headquarters is in Bengaluru. So if you're interested in working with Code Nation, they are offering a very good package. Okay, so we have already discussed about this company recruitments in our channel itself. So this company is also now hiring through the Relevel platform. If you're interested in working with this company, just click on this register for test and just apply for this company's test and try to crack the test and get the job and get your dream package. Next, we are going to see about a specific person's profile, which is his name is Biswajit Patra. He actually got selected as backend engineer in Hipto, and he has got actually a package above 40 lakhs per annum. Can you imagine 40 lakhs per annum as CTC? So you can also get this good package. So please make use of this free of cost platform, and please get hired by these good companies and get your dream company and your dream package. Register now and just crack the test and just uh, get your job in TCS. Okay. The next recruitment update we are going to see is from Siemens. Again, they are conducting a bulk hiring for BTech candidates especially. And the streams that are eligible are, the eligibility criteria is you should be having a BTech degree in either computer science, information science, IT, electronics and communication, electrical instrumentation, control system only. Okay. So all the computer science, IT related backgrounds, circuital backgrounds like ECEEE, EI, all these streams of BTech are eligible, and the year of pass out doesn't matters. Okay. So this is an off-campus hiring, and the job role or the role name will be graduate, trainee, engineer or student technical. Okay. So this is going to be a job role here. So this is actually a developer job, and it is a full-time job only. Okay. So here what all things you will be doing is implementing of features, bug fixing, delivering solutions in accordance with the coding guidelines. So this is the requirement. You will be doing basically testing, developing, debugging the code. That will be the job role. Okay. So if you are interested and if you are from these related backgrounds, you can apply. Also, you should be having little bit of programming knowledge. See here, good knowledge in object-oriented concepts, C++, C hash, understanding of software development lifecycle, strong analytical and problem-solving skills. So all these things, generally these backgrounds, they study during the curriculum or the along with the academic subjects, they'll be studying, right? That is the people from computer science, IT, ECEEE backgrounds. Okay. So all the students of or all the BTech candidates of these streams are eligible to apply here. Okay. So in order to apply, what you have to do is just click on this apply icon. First, you have to create an account with Siemens Job Portal, and then you have to fill an online application form. Okay. Next, the last recruitment update we are going to see is from Goldman Sachs. So this is again a bulk hiring. A lot of people have already applied, but many people are there to yet to apply. So if you are from that category, please do apply here. They are hiring on a bulk amount for all the 2022 and 23 year of pass out graduations. So there are two roles. New analyst role is there and summer internship is there. Internship is for 2023 candidates and the new analyst job role is for 22 candidates. They have not asked for any particular streams of education. So any stream is eligible to apply here. Okay. The locations of job will be Bengaluru and Hyderabad, and this application form is active till January 3rd. Okay. So this is actually an engineering campus hiring program. So if you are from any engineering stream, you can apply here. And if you are having the year of pass out as 22 and 23. Okay. Now let's have a look on the program deadlines. The last day to apply is January 3rd. Aptitude test will be on January 9th. Technical test will be on February 13th. And the last interviews will be from 4th week of February. Okay. So this is going to be the selection process here. And they have given separate links for applying for the internship and the new analyst. Okay. So you can click on these links separately and you can apply here. Many people have applied and received mails. You can also apply and you will get a mail if you are qualified. Okay. So these are the 4 company updates we are seeing in this video. This is actually for freshers and also experienced candidates. So if you are from any of this category, please check out the links in description and please do apply accordingly. if you are eligible. Okay, so that's all for today's video. I'm really hoping that you found the video useful. If yes, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Keep supporting the channel. Share the videos with your friends also and tell them to subscribe. That's it. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.